Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the Blu-ray steelbook for The Witch. I got this steelbook from Zavvi.com. That's like a website where they sell like a bunch of collectibles. I've ordered a couple of steelbooks from them and they always come in. It takes a while, but you know, it's a good, I guess, store, and they will send you your steelbook in like a little cardboard case and whatnot. But the reason I got this one is because this is one of my favorite horror movies, and I don't think, at least that I know of, there was a release for the US on the steelbook. And I read that this is also a region-free disc, so hopefully that's correct. Anyways, let's open it. Oh, and the price on this one, when I got it, I think it was like $12 or $13. And they don't charge you for shipping, so it's a pretty good deal in my opinion. Here's the J card. And these, I guess they put sticker instead of the glue. This is all glossy, as you could probably see by my light. Here's the back. Pretty neat. Glossy as well. I think his eyes are kind of metallic-y. And then we have the spine. And then here we have the artwork on the inside with the Blu-ray disc. I'm hoping this is region free. Here's the full artwork on the inside. And then the full steelbook. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.